we discuss an example from the unit matrices and determinants, and the question is based on computing determinants of 2 by 2 matrices. It's a very simple problem. This question has come in joint entrance examination main held on 20th July 2021 in the morning session. The question is from the unit matrices and determinant. I will now state the example and solve it. Let A is equal to a 2 by 2 matrix, first row 2, 3, second row A0, where A is a real number and A be written as P plus Q, where P is a symmetric matrix and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. If determinant of Q is equal to 9, then the modulus of the sum of all possible values of the determinant of P is equal to. What's the question? If determinant of Q is equal to 9, we have to find the modulus of the sum of all possible values of determinant of P is equal to. The options are option 1 36, option 2 24, option 3 18, option 4 45. Solution. We know the following result. The result is every square matrix capital A can be written as the sum of a symmetric matrix capital P and a skew symmetric matrix capital Q. This result everybody knows, that is every square matrix capital A can be written as a sum of a symmetric matrix P and a skew symmetric matrix Q, that is A is equal to P plus Q, where P is equal to 1/2 times A plus A transpose and Q is equal to 1 by 2 times A minus A transpose. And further, this representation of writing A as a sum of a symmetric matrix P and and a skew symmetric matrix Q is unique. Given A is equal to 2 by 2 matrix 2, 3 first row, A0 second row, then A transpose will be write the first row as first column, second row as second column. That will be 2A30. Continue in the next slide. This is the result what we know, and we are given A, the matrix, and its A transpose. Now we write down P. P will be what? P will be 1 by 2 times A plus A transpose. A is 2 by 2 matrix 2, 3, A0 plus A transpose is 2A30. Add, that is equal to 1 by 2 times 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus A plus 3, A plus 3, A plus 3, 0 plus 0, 0. Now take the 1 by 2 inside. 1 by 2 into 4 is 2. This is A plus 3 by 2. This is again A plus 3 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. that is equal to this matrix, right? So now, and calculate the determinant of P. Determinant of the first row, 2, 1 by 2 a plus 3, first row. Second row, 1 by 2 a plus 3, 0. And the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, first row AB, second row CD is AD minus BC. AD minus BC. So the determinant of P will be 2 into 0 minus 1 by 2 times a plus 3 into 1 by 2 times a plus 3. That will be equal to minus 1 by 4 a plus 3 whole square. We continue. So we have capital A and A transpose. Q is equal to 1 by 2 times A minus A transpose. That's equal to 1 by 2 times A minus A transpose. And that will be equal to 1 by 2 times 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus A, 3 minus A minus 3, A minus 3, 0, minus 0, 0. So this is the matrix. So this will be equal to, and 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 we will take inside, 0 multiplied by 1 by 2 is 0, 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 minus A, and 1 by 2 multiplied by A minus 3, 1 by 2 multiplied by 0 we have written. And determinant of Q will be determinant of the above matrix. And likewise the determinant is 0 times 0 minus 1 by 2 times A minus 3 into 1 by 2 times 3 minus A. That will be equal to minus A minus 3, A minus 3 into 3 minus A by 4. Now I will take this minus inside, A minus 3, that I will write as 3 minus A. So that will be equal to 1 by 4 into 3 minus A whole square. Continue in the next slide. We have determinant of Q is equal to 1 by 4 times 3 minus A whole square. Given determinant of Q is equal to 9, that will imply 1 by 4 3 minus A whole square is equal to 9, and cross multiply, send the 4 to the other side, then we will get 3 minus A whole square is equal to 36. Take the square root, 3 minus A is equal to plus or minus 6, then A will be equal to 3 plus or minus 6, that is 3 plus 6 is 9, 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So different values we got. For different values we will get different matrices of P, thereby different determinants we will get. So if A is equal to 9, then the determinant of P will be equal to minus 1 by 4 times A plus 3. Substitute A is equal to 9, that will be equal to minus 1 by 4 into 9 plus 3 whole square. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 square is 144. 144 by 4 minus 144 by 4, that is equal to minus 36. And for the other value, if A is equal to minus 3, then the determinant of P will be equal to 1 by 4 times A plus 3 whole square, that is equal to 0. When A is minus 3, A plus 3 is 0. Therefore, determinant of P will be 1 by 4 times A plus 3, where A plus 3 is 0, that will be 0. The sum of all possible values of determinant of P is how many possible values we got? We got two possible values. One is minus 36 and the other is 3, and there is 0. That will be equal to minus 36. But what we want is the modulus of the sum of all possible values of the determinant P. So sum of all possible values minus 36, we have to take the modulus of it. Modulus of that, mod of minus 36 is equal to 36. So let's look at our options. Our options are 36, 24, 18, 45. 36 is there against option 1. Therefore, our answer is option 1. This comes to the end of the discussion of the problem. It's a very simple problem, and practice some more problems of this type from a standard textbook. All the best. Thank you.